How's it going, guys? Carey with DrillFit Training. Today I'm going to show y'all the cable lat pull down with these small mat grips. The mat grips are great because they keep your hands slightly turned in, your elbows in a little bit closer. That means we're going to get a better contraction on the lats, which is what we are trying to hit here. As you pull down on this exercise, you want to make sure your elbows stay right underneath your wrists. And you also want to think pull straight down. We're not pulling back to the chest or back to us. Just drive the elbows straight down. I'll go ahead and do a couple reps here to show you. For this exercise, we are keeping our traps down the entire time and also keeping your chest up really high. That's going to allow for a better contraction on the lats, and that's going to be the cable lat pull down with the small mag grip.